Hey, I'm rolling out 60 different strategies, and I'm borrowing those strategies from 60 different YouTube channels, and I'm doing that all in 60 days. This next strategy promises to win 100% of the time. We'll see what happens. My name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. This is strategy number 24 in our series of 60 strategy videos. It comes from the Craps Couple YouTube channel, and it's called the Don't Pass Craps Strategy. It was filmed in May of 2020, and they have over 7,300 views on their video. They go with a $15 table and a $300 bankroll. So this is kind of a low roller strategy, and let's see how it works. What they do is they start off with just doing don't pass bets. And let me kind of explain this, how this is going to work. And we're going to kind of do this once. We're going to go with 1, 1, 1. And we're going to go with 2, 2, 2, 2. And I'll explain to you what I'm doing here in just 1 second. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this. Actually, yeah, let's do this. Okay. So what we're doing here is each chip here will represent a $15 unit. And this is how they actually go about and do the strategy. So, on your first come out, you would go with a $15 don't pass bet. If that $15 don't pass bet loses, you would go to the next level, which is another $15. Third level would be $15. Now we're going to go to $30 for 2 times, $60 for 2 times, and $120 for 2 times. If you would happen to win 2 times in a row, you would start over at 0. So let's roll this out. Again, like I said, we have a $300 bankroll. We're going to start off with $15 don't pass, puck is off, and coming out. We have a 4, 2, 6. So our point will become 6. And all we're going to do is we're just going to roll this out. So let's just roll this out. And we're going to try to hit the 7, which we did right there. So we get paid out $15 out on that don't pass. Okay, and our strategy stays at level number 1. And we're going to go for, let's go for a 10-minute roll here, guys. And see what happens after 10 minutes. So 5, 4, 9, our point is a 9. And $15 on it, don't pass yet. And we've got a 3, 1, 4. We've got a 5, 5 hard 10. And we got 3, 1, 4 again. And all we're doing is just rolling out really fast to get a 7th. 2, 3, 5. And there's our 7. So again, we get paid off $15 out on that don't pass. Our dice still stays on level number 1. Starting off again with a $15 don't pass. Puck is off. And looking for a point of 4, 3, 1, 4. So that usually is a pretty good one for don't pass, but we'll see what happens here. And 3, 3, 6, hard 6. And we have a 5, 5 hard 10. Awesome. And we have a 3, 1, 4. That was a 3 that did roll. So that is our point. What's going to happen is puck comes off. We lose this don't pass. And we're going to go to the next level now. And now we have to win this level twice before we can go back down. If we lose, we'll go back up a level. So let's go $15 on it don't pass again. So that's a single there. And looking for a point. And we have a 5, 2, 7. So that's going to lose over here. And we're going to move up to the next level on the strategy. So we're going to go with $15. Again, this is our last time at $15. And dice out, looking for a point. And we have a 6, 5, 11. Again, we lose right here. And now we go to the next level. So we're going to go to $30 out there. And still looking for a point. Coming out. And we have a 628. Easy 8. So our point becomes an 8. And now we're going to be looking for that big red. And we have a 516. Easy 6. 549. Neener 9. And we have a 213. Does nothing. Shocker is what we would say. 6410 does nothing. And we have a 527. So that's going to pay out $30 right there. And we are going to rack it. We're going to stay at that level because we need to hit that level twice in order for it to drop back down to 0. So we're going to stay at $30 out there. Puck comes off, looking for a point. And we got a 325, so our point will be 5. And we've got a 617, perfect. Okay, so what happens is we get paid out another $30 out on that don't pass. We're going to be able to drop down to the beginning level since that was our second hit on there. So we're going to drop back down to that beginning level. And we're going to go with a $15 don't pass bet again. Okay, puck is off. Looking for a point. And we'll go a couple more minutes here, guys. And we're going to go a 2-on-3 checker. So that's nice on the don't pass because we get paid out on that. If we would have rolled 7 or 11, we would have lost. If we would have rolled 12, that would have been a tie on one. So we have a 2-2-4, hard 4. Point becomes a 4. And rolling it out. And we have a 6-5, a yo 11. Nothing happens. And we have a square pair, hard 8, 4-4. Go to their channel, subscribe, and subscribe to mine as well. And we have a 3-1-4. That is our point. What's going to happen? The puck comes off. We lose this. We go to the next level on the thing, which is still a $15 chip level. So remember, $15, $15, $15, 30, 30, 60, 60, 120, 120. So we're just doubling up. Again, we start with a $300 bankroll. Looking for a point. 617. That's not good for this strategy coming out. So we're going to lose the 15. We're going to go to the next level. We're going to go out with another 15. And dice out. And we have a 2-on-3. So that pays out 15. That would be win number 1. So we're going to look for one more win. They don't really distinguish if that would be considered a win or not. I do consider it a win because that was an even money win there. So point is going to be 5. And dice out. And we have a 2-2 hard 4. That did roll. We have a 4-1-5. So there's our point. Puck comes off. We're going to go up to the next level. We're going to lose this. So that means we are going up again to the $30 level. Okay. So that is our first one, $30 level. And we are looking for a point. 639. 9 will be our point. And looking for the big red again. And 5-3 easy 8. 3-3-6. Hard 6 does nothing. And we have a 4-3-7. So that's going to pay out $30 on that don't pass. That was hit number 1. So we'll go to that right there. And we're going to be looking for one more hit before we can go down in value. Okay. And we have a 6-4-9. So our point stays on 9. 9 must be a good number today here, guys. And we have a 6-4-10, easy 10, and 6-3-9. That is our point. Puck comes off. We're going to lose that $30. And we're going to go back up again with another $30. So we're at that 4th, 5th level now. And again, we need to win that level 2 times before we can drop back down to 0. So looking for a point, and we have a 6, 4, 10. So puck goes to 10, and dice out, and 6, 4, 10, right back on that. So we're going to lose that $30 again. And now, this is where it's going to start getting a little bit hairy on the strategy. So we go over here, we're at 15, 15, 15, 30, now $60. So we're going to go at $60 on that on the don't pass line. Okay, dice out, looking for a point. And we have a 3, 2, 5. So, no field 5 right there, and looking for a 7. And we have a 5, 6, 11, yo 11, nothing. And 3, 3, 6, hard 6. And we got a 5, 2, 7, perfect. So that's going to pay out $60 over there. So we at least got some of our money back on that. And it brings us to level number 2. Try to get to that second hit there, guys. So we can move on then, or back down to 0. So puck comes off, looking for a point, still at $60, looking for a second time there of winning. And there it is. We have a 1, 1, 2 snake eyes. So we get paid out $60 there. And our dice, our tracker goes back down to the first step, or introductory step. So that was about a 10-minute rollout here, guys. From here, we would go back to that $15 level. And I'm just going to clean this up so we can count our money out to see where we ended up. Again, we start off with a $300 profit. And I'm just going to do that. I'm sorry, we start off with a $300 bankroll. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Fingers are not working well today, guys. There we go. 2, 3, 4. That's 100. So there's our starting 300. So we got 75, 100, $120 in that short roll that we did win. So again, strategy came from Craps Couple. It's called a don't pass strategy. They claim it wins 100% of the time. If you like the strategies that I'm rolling out, click on that link on that side of the screen there. My name is Joe, and this is my Craps Master journey. Let's make it yours too.